Right to the wastewater treatment plant. But yeah, so 40. This is 32 gallons, so that gives you an idea that that's a lot of water. People are telling us to turn off the tap when we brush our teeth. That pales in significance to what we use every time we close and do a lot. This way, it's going out of the house. Out of the house here and into a tank where it's stored. Now there's a couple ways we can handle the water once it gets outside the house. The cheapest and least expensive way is what we call the KISS system, where it goes straight out to the trees and the bushes in your rose garden, and it goes into what's called mulch basins. It's just a hole in the ground that's filled with water. Water will capture inside there and then percolate down to the roots. Now that's more of a fixed installed irrigation system. But a lot of people want to water their pots, they want to have raised bed, they want to hand water. So in that case, you would use the KISS Plus system, where we add in a garbage can with the hose, and that will gravity feed to your potted plants, and that's what we have set up here. And the water will flow out of the tank and through your hose, and you can go out and water your plants. If you have a hill where you've got plants at the top of your hill and you need to water those, well, in that case, you can't use gravity because water won't fill uphill. So what you do is you put a sump pump in here, and we call this system plus. So there's a sump pump in here that'll pump it up to as much as 20 feet elevation.
Well, that's pretty good.
And we got a sump pump in there, and once it gets to a certain level, that'll go up to 20 feet out of height, and then you can move it up to maybe another catch basin. So the main ideas here, well, first of all, our market survey showed that people want it simple, something they can install themselves, and low cost. So simple means we made it simple by allowing people to buy all the stuff at Home Depot. So these are things you can get right from Home Depot, and we have a parts list, and you just download that parts list and place your order, come home, and in one weekend you could have a Greywater system installed. The other thing was they wanted to spend no money. So we found we found that 30% of our people that we talk to would spend up to $50. Well, that will give us our basic bare bones system, so we met that market. Another 50% of our people that we questioned would spend up to $250, and that will pay for basically this system is the parts alone are $350. So we're in the ballpark of what our market asked for. So it's in this time of drought, when we're all being asked to conserve water, this is a simple, low-cost way to satisfy that need. But you have to be aware of which type of detergent you use. There's certain things you don't want to use, chlorine, for example. So if you're going to use chlorine, you divert your water into the sewer. But if you want to, I better go turn that water off. Be right back. There's
So I can make the second one. Do you guys charge to install?
If you have somebody to install.
You know what I was thinking is we'll go home and we'll tear up this plant, right? Maybe put a little bug in our students here and say, you design it. Hopefully they'll come up with something like this or better. And then over the summer, we could start a little company, going around their neighborhood and installing it for a few $100. They could be great students. And hopefully they would take an approach that this is for humanity, this is for the betterment of society and preserving our resources. to ensure they could post their bills of material and plans and assembly drawings. There is this. There's since the 70s, people have been using greywater in their gardens. So essentially, what we've done here, we've incorporated various concepts that we found through research and integrated those concepts into a multi-configured system. So, for example, this part right here is a design that we found from people that specialize in greywater systems, where they've recommended an anti-siphon valve, backflow preventers, and just a clean installation like this. There's other people that say, okay, here's one way to irrigate, here's another way to irrigate, and here's a third way to irrigate. Actually, this was our idea using the sump pump. We integrated that ourselves. That was our own concept.
There's some irrigation systems that the tank is very large and resides in the groundwater. Like greywater.
This is a great setup for existing construction. It works out great. It's nice.
You could go home and do something, hopefully what you're saying is, I can do this in my own laundry room. Okay. Well, what I did, it's funny, it was ironic, just before I came down here, I went online and I saw, I wanted to save water, and I went online just on my iPhone and I saw what a woman had posted. She had just set a garbage can next to her washing machine, and she took the hose out of the sewer and just set it in her washing machine. Drilled the hose in the bottom of the garbage can, and the hose, and that was it. Just a few bucks. That's just as simple as that. The garbage can, a hose connector. What's that? $15? Something like that.
It's crazy.
So, and when you think about, we had a pie chart that showed how domestic water is used. Normal American uses 40 gallons of water a day.
It's incredible, isn't it?
Of that 40 gallons, about 8 gallons, or 20%, is used on a daily basis for watering. So 20% of our daily use is used. It's not for watering, it's for doing laundry. We're being asked to save 25%. We're 80% of the way there. 80% of the way there, just with a simple retrofit like that.
What is this rig for?
That's a good question. That is called an anti-siphon valve or an air gap or a siphon break. There's different names for it. And what that does is it keeps water from being sucked back when you turn it off, and it gets sucked back into your washing machine. You want to prevent that. Now, if you have a dishwasher in your home, and if you have a dishwasher, you'll notice that on your sink, there's a thing called an air gap, and it's a little round device that sits up about that tall, and that's for the same purpose. So the water from your sewer does not get sucked back because of the vacuum back into your washing machine. Because that's not back into your dishwasher. So that's the purpose of that.
I gotta hand it to you guys. It looks really good. This is a nice setup.
I just think that your guys' combination with the other group's combination.
There you go. You're all set. Isn't that great?
Great job, guys.
I think
Thanks.
This is you. This is your area. Yeah. But one of the things that, as a civil engineer, you're going to be doing a lot of modeling of systems.